Traveling after 50 can be one of the most exciting times in life. You've got more freedom, more time, and the chance to explore places you've always dreamed about. But with that freedom also comes the need to stay safe and prepared. In this video, we'll go over smart and easy safety tips so that you can enjoy your trip to the fullest. Let's dive in. Number 5. Pre-trip health preparations. Before you go chasing sunsets and snapping photos like a teenage influencer, it's wise to make sure your body is just as ready as your passport. The first step? Schedule a checkup with your doctor. Tell them where you're going and how long you'll be away, and ask if any vaccines or health precautions are needed for your destination. During your visit, discuss your travel plans with your doctor. If you're heading somewhere with a different climate or altitude, your doctor might have a few recommendations. If you're on medications, make sure you have enough to cover your trip, with some extras in case your return gets delayed. Create a medication schedule that accounts for time zone changes, because the only thing worse than jet lag is wondering if you took your blood pressure pill 6 hours ago or 6 hours too early. Also, write down important health details like allergies, current medications, and emergency contacts. Keep a copy in your bag and leave one with a family member. It may feel a bit like over-preparing, but trust us, it's a lot easier than trying to remember your medical history while jet-lagged in a Bali pharmacy. Number 4. Smart booking tips. When it comes to booking your trip, the early bird doesn't just get the worm, they get better flight prices and better seats. Book your flights and accommodations in advance to avoid last-minute stress and inflated costs. Plus, you'll have more time to choose options that suit your comfort and needs. Try to avoid back-to-back flights with short layovers. While you might have run through airports in your 20s, these days, it's more of a leisurely power shuffle, and that's perfectly fine. Longer layovers give you time to rest, eat, and find the next gate without turning your vacation into a triathlon. And don't forget to ask for senior discounts. They don't just exist at movie theaters. Many airlines, hotels, and even tourist attractions offer discounted rates for travelers over 50. It might not be advertised, so ask politely, and maybe flash that charming smile. You've earned it. Number 3. Comfort during flights. Let's face it, airplane seats were not designed with comfort in mind, especially for anyone taller than 5 feet or older than 30. So if you can, choose your seat wisely. Aisle seats allow easier trips to the restroom and give you room to stretch those legs. Some airlines let you reserve seats with extra legroom for a small fee, and trust us, your knees will thank you. Compression socks might not sound glamorous, but they're a godsend on long flights. They help with circulation and reduce the risk of blood clots, which is especially important if you're not moving around much. Think of them as your travel superhero cape for your calves. When it comes to clothing, dress in layers. Planes can feel like saunas 1 minute and iceboxes the next. A soft sweater, a light scarf, and comfortable shoes that slip on and off easily will make you feel like a seasoned travel pro. And yes, seasoned means experienced, not old. Number 2. Utilizing technology. You don't need to be a tech genius to travel smart these days. Start by downloading the app for your airline. It'll notify you of delays, gate changes, and boarding times. No more crowding around departure boards squinting at tiny numbers. Set up a medical ID on your phone. Both iPhones and Androids let you add emergency health information that can be accessed without unlocking the device. It's a small step that can make a big difference if you need medical attention while traveling. Also, digitize important documents like your passport, visa, travel insurance, and medication list. Store them in a secure cloud service or email them to yourself. If your bag goes on a mysterious solo vacation without you, you'll still have access to the essentials. And if you're feeling particularly tech-savvy, use a translation app or travel guide on your phone. It can help you say, "Where's the bathroom?" in 20 different languages, possibly the most important phrase on any trip. Number 1. Financial safety measures. Now let's talk money. Because as fun as traveling is, it's even better when your finances are safe and sound. Before you leave, notify your bank and credit card company of your travel dates and destinations. This prevents them from freezing your account just because you bought a croissant in Milan. Carry at least 2 cards and keep them separate. One in your wallet and one tucked away in a different bag or secure pocket. That way, if you lose one, you're not stranded trying to barter with hotel soap. Now you know all the safety tips, but do you know what's the biggest challenge for seniors when traveling? If you're curious or want to learn more, check out our next video, How to Travel Smart as a Senior. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Until next time, travel smart, earn more, and live free.